Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0327 indicates a problem in the knock sensor circuit, specifically a low voltage connection. This diagnostic trouble code is part of the powertrain control module PCM Diagnostics, which controls the engine's performance and ensures it operates efficiently. The knock sensor acts as a crucial component that detects engine knocking or pinging, a condition which can affect engine performance and longevity. Located typically on the engine block, the knock sensor generates voltage signals that help the PCM optimize engine timing. If the knock sensor is malfunctioning or there's a disruption in the wiring connection, it can lead to erratic engine behavior or reduced performance. Understanding this DTC is essential for maintaining the health of the Honda HR-V's engine and for ensuring it runs smoothly. Proper diagnostics and repairs are vital for resolving this issue. The knock sensor plays a vital role in an engine's performance by detecting abnormal vibrations caused by pre-ignition or knocking. This sensor converts these vibrations into an electrical signal that is sent to the powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM collects these signals to adjust ignition timing accordingly, helping to protect the engine from potential damage due to knocking. Typically, the knock sensor is located on the engine block or cylinder head, ensuring it accurately identifies engine vibrations. The PCM is located inside the vehicle's engine compartment, and it processes these signals to optimize engine performance. If there is a fault in the connection, or if the knock sensor fails, the readings will reflect a low voltage in the circuit, prompting the DTC P0327 to appear. Several factors could lead to the triggering of DTC P0327. A faulty knock sensor is the primary suspect, as it may fail to generate the appropriate voltage signals required for the PCM to function correctly. Wiring issues between the knock sensor and the PCM can also lead to a low voltage situation. This could include frayed or damaged wires that compromise the electrical connection. Poor connections at either the knock sensor or PCM terminals might cause similar voltage problems, resulting in this diagnostic trouble code. Each of these potential causes must be meticulously verified before proceeding with repairs or part replacements. Drivers may experience various symptoms when DTC P0327 is present. One common symptom is reduced engine performance, which can manifest as sluggish acceleration or reduced power while driving. This reduction in performance often occurs because the PCM is unable to optimize ignition timing correctly due to incorrect signals from the knock sensor. Poor fuel economy may also be noticed, since the engine is not operating at its optimum efficiency. Additionally, the check engine light may illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to potential problems requiring immediate attention. These symptoms not only impair driving experience, but can also lead to long-term engine damage if left unchecked. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0327 involves verifying the problem by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which activates the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, you'll clear the existing diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which allows the onboard computer to reset. After clearing the codes, turn the vehicle off and then turn it back to the on mode once again. This step is critical to check for any pending or confirmed diagnostic trouble codes that may reappear. If DTC P0327 is indicated again, it confirms that the failure has duplicated and gives a clear path forward. If not, it may indicate an intermittent fault, and further inspection of wiring and connections will be necessary. In the second step of troubleshooting, begin by turning the vehicle to off lock mode to ensure safety. Then, disconnect the knock sensor's 2P connector, which isolates the sensor from the circuit. After the sensor is disconnected, turn the vehicle back to the on mode to allow the system to recheck for any diagnostic trouble codes with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Monitoring the HDS will help determine if any related codes appear, particularly DTC P0328, which indicates a high voltage condition in the sensor circuit. If P0328 appears, it confirms the knock sensor is faulty, requiring replacement to restore proper function. If no new codes are present, you'll need to proceed to the next testing step to further narrow down the issue. Step 3 involves checking for shorted wires between the knock sensor and the PCM. Start by ensuring the vehicle is off, lock mode. The next action is to jump the SCS, service check signal line, using the HDS. This prepares the system for further diagnostics. Next, disconnect the PCM's connector C, which is a critical step because it isolates the module for accurate testing. You need to check continuity between the designated test points, specifically the knock sensor's 2P connector and the KSGND knock sensor ground line. Continuity indicates that the knock wire is not shorted, while lack of continuity suggests a fault, demanding repair. This step is essential for verifying the health of the wiring between the knockout and the PCM before replacing any components. In the final step of troubleshooting DTC P0327, again, check for continuity in the knock line, ensuring the vehicle is in off, lock mode. Using the disconnected connectors from previous steps, you will check continuity between the second test point at the knock sensor and a good body ground. If continuity is present, it indicates a short in the knock wire, specifically between the PCM and the knock sensor, necessitating a repair. If continuity is not found, it implies that the knock wire is functioning correctly. In this case, the next course of action is to ensure that the PCM has the latest software updates installed. If updates are in place and the issue persists, substituting the PCM with a known good unit is advisable. Successfully resolving the DTC may involve updating software or replacing the PCM if necessary. Final repair verification is crucial after completing the troubleshooting and necessary repairs for DTC P0327. Once repairs are made, it is essential to clear the Diagnostic Trouble Code using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to reset the vehicle's onboard computer. After clearing the DTC, a test drive is performed to ensure that the vehicle operates correctly under normal driving conditions. During this test drive, you should monitor for any reappearance of the DTC or related performance issues. If the DTC does not return and the engine performs as expected, the repair can be considered successful. Confirming that performance is restored ensures that the underlying cause of DTC P0327 has been effectively addressed, maintaining the vehicle's overall reliability. To help prevent recurrence of DTC P0327, implementing a regimen of preventive maintenance is essential. Regularly checking the connections to the knock sensor and PCM will help ensure they remain secure and free of corrosion, which can affect performance. Additionally, inspecting the wiring for any signs of abrasion or damage will reduce the likelihood of shorts and intermittent faults. Whenever replacements are necessary, utilizing high-quality components, especially OEM parts, can help ensure long-term reliability and compatibility. Keeping an eye on the engine performance through periodic checks can catch potential issues early, before they manifest as diagnostic trouble codes. Following these preventive steps can significantly enhance your vehicle's performance and lifespan. In conclusion, Understanding DTC P0327 is crucial for maintaining the health of the Honda HR-V engine. This trouble code indicates an issue in the knock sensor circuit, particularly a low voltage condition, which can severely impact engine performance if not addressed. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach helps in identifying and rectifying the fault efficiently. Each step is designed to narrow down potential issues, whether it is a faulty sensor, wiring problems, or PCM concerns. Lastly, implementing a routine maintenance strategy can help prevent future occurrences of such codes, ensuring the vehicle remains reliable and performs as intended. Being proactive in both diagnostics and maintenance fosters optimal vehicle operation and longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.